How much is in this box? Shall we show everybody?
Let's just put it.
Ready?
Let's just click that.
Wow.
Look at all
Angel,
that.
how much have you got for your spending monies?
We have more pounds in this. Hi guys, today Angel here! And somebody's holding the camera.
It's Daddy.
Do you know what? Tomorrow we're going on holiday, but Dad's getting a massage.
Am I?
You're so lucky.
Yeah.
And I don't even get one. You get massage cream on you.
Yeah.
And do you know what? Tomorrow we're going on holiday to Centre Park. And I've already packed. Like, subscribe and comment, and then you'll get a shout out. Yay! But very excited for tomorrow. So I packed this huge unicorn suitcase. Look, there's the horn. The sticker, look. It's a sticker horn. And it's got lots of stickers on it. Because you can decorate them on yourself. And it's called a trunky. That's its horn. I'm not going to bring the tail with me because it goes under them and it gets scruffy. It's already scruffy. It goes under the tail and that's its nose. That's where you open it and it's locked. Do you know where the locker is, Daddy? How to lock it? It's here. Watch. Look, it's got a key on it. So that means it. So no, you're going to leave your things. Look, then it's got another side and it opens. Now I'm going to show everybody what's inside up there. I need to open the other side and keep my butterflies on it. There's some diamonds. A holiday suitcase. If you comment if you have been to Centre Park before, there's a lot of things in it. 1, 2, 3. Right, let's start with this down. That's the little pocket. Right, that's my unicorn, what I sleep with always. That's the angel, what I got from Disneyland. I don't know where I got that from. Guess what's under this blanket? In the comments down below. There's like toy shops and like modern things and everything at Centre Park. Even a toy shop there. Put it out. Daddy, you're only allowed to look in it. We've got some things in there too.
How much is in there, do you think?
I don't really know. 100 maybe. No.
Let's see how much holiday money you've got, Angel.
More pencils.
Yeah.
No. To a real and to real.
Whoopsie!
What just happened?
That money came out of there.
Oh, I didn't close it properly.
How much is in this box? Shall we show everybody?
Let's just put it.
Ready?
Let's just click that.
Wow.
Look at all
Angel,
that.
how much have you got for your spending monies?
We have more pounds in this. There's more.
How much is that?
200.
That?
Yeah.
I think it's like
50.
1,000.
1,000.
I think so.
I think it's 100.
We have got £1,000 to spend on our holiday.
About maybe more. Maybe 300 or 400.
No, we've got £1,000 to spend.
500 or 600 or 700
No,
or 800.
we've got 1,000 and all this change is what Leo
Got from working. I don't work, do I? But I used to.
Yeah, Leo has saved all this money from work.
I used to work at work when I was like 2 or something. But now I don't like getting dirty, do I?
No, you don't like getting dirty now. You're a grown-up girl.
Yeah.
Angel, Angel. Yeah. Now we've finished counting the money. Put your suitcase on the table. Shall I help you?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Okay, there.
Let's have a look. What's in this side? Oh, look. Leo's come to take his holiday money.
No, to share. But do you know what?
Yeah, let me close it.
I do have more, but I don't want to take it over.
Are you taking all that holiday money away?
Yeah.
You're going to go hide it?
Look.
Oh, Angel, Leo's come to have the holiday money.
Hey.
We'll have to find it.
Yeah.
Angel, let me see what you're taking on holiday.
Look, it sprints and she's
LOL
there.
dolls.
No, let me show you.
We've got...
Stop. You're not allowed to touch my precious things.
Okay.
Look, it sprints and she's naked. And in
He has a fat bum.
She has a fat bum? Cheeky boy.
Yeah, I like the movie.
What do you plan on doing on holiday?
Poo-poo.
You want to go in the swimming pool?
Swimming pool.
You want to go in the swimming pool?
Swimming pool.
And what else are we going to do?
Boo-boo.
What does that mean?
Boo-boo.
Guys, he's talking like a crazy man.
Let turn the camera around.
Angel, Angel's took the camera.
We've got a flamingo, we've got some makeup in there.
Angel.
And we've got some pudding and stuff in there. And we've got an Easter egg.
Leah.
And some chocolate in there.
Angel's gone crazy. She won't listen to us.
And we've got... And we've got...
Angel.
And we've got a bab. And we've got a bab. Ooh.
Leah, would you play with any of those toys at Centre Parks?
Nah.
Why?
Hey, get off the table. Being too naughty.
Leah, you've been naughty?
No.
No, I don't think so.
Don't forget to watch our next video we're on, and then we'll be on holiday. Don't forget to leave your name down below, and then we'll give you a shout out. Give this video a big like. If we get 50 likes, we'll do part 2 of this video on the next holiday. Bye!